keep on searching for him where he is. He's not like he's came out this way. It's a bit hard to find any evidence. The rain's probably washed it away, but we just try to find where his whereabouts. We just hope he's gone this way. What's this? Look like someone's eating something here, and the deposits behind it. So I might get friends to come around here to see if there's any bite marks. This could be the bag man, and he's probably moved on. See you later, everyone. Take care. Have a good day. Goodbye. All right. Where are you, bag man? Where are you?